Welcome back to our channel. In today's recipe, we're going to be using out of our pantry and freezer. In today's video, we're going to be using ground beef. Ground beef is one of the cheapest meats you can buy right now. We're going to be making hot dogs this afternoon, so we're going to make some hot dog chili. And we're going to be using our Instant Pot pressure cooker. It's a Ninja. You can use any kind of Instant Pot, or you can actually even make this chili on your stove. We're making this chili on a budget. We're going to use everything that we're using is in our pantry that needs to be used up. And I'm going to show y'all how to make a good chili using some leftovers. We have leftover onions and bell peppers we diced for another video the other day. And we have a lot left over, so we're going to use them in our chili also. It's still expensive, but it is the cheapest. Groceries are so high right now, families are struggling, so I'm going to share this with y'all on how to make a good pot of chili on a budget. We're going to be using beans that's been in our pantry for a while that need to be used up, and some diced tomatoes. Okay, we're going to top it with just a little bit of cheese. And a dollop of sour cream. Okay, y'all, there's our way we make our chili. Okay, y'all. Now we're going to start trying to let it thicken up. Now we're going to turn this back on the sear and just bring it to a good boil again. Okay, we've got it done. We've got it as thick as we want it. So now we're going to serve us up some. Okay, we're going to top it with just a little bit of cheese. And a dollop of sour cream. Okay, y'all. There's our way we make our chili. When it's hot outside, you can use your Ninja or Instant Pot to make your homemade chili, and it don't heat up your house. I hope y'all give this a try. It sure did turn out good. You can change it up any way you like. If you don't want to put those certain beans or like the ketchup and stuff, the tomato paste, you can change it up and use it ever how you want to make it. Use what you got and you can still make a great meal. Thanks. Okay, y'all, that's how we used up our pound of ground beef and some leftovers and pantry items. I hope y'all like this video. Dig in your pantry and see what you have. It might help you save some money this week. And in your freezer, you might have way back in behind some of those old items, something in there you didn't know you have. So dig in the freezers and look in your pantry and try to make a friendly budget meal using what you have. Thanks for watching. Until next time, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe.